Journi Blog Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Journi Blog app and related services are in the description. Journi Blog is a travel journaling app designed for those who want to capture and document their travel experiences in a simple, organized way. Whether you're traveling for leisure, business, or adventure, this app allows you to create a personalized travel blog without any hassle, making it perfect for travelers who want to preserve memories and share their journey. The app's most notable feature is its intuitive interface, which lets you easily add photos, text, and maps to your journal entries. You can record your daily activities, places visited, and even include real-time GPS coordinates to track your movements during your trip. This creates a dynamic, multimedia-rich record of your travels that goes beyond just writing, incorporating visual storytelling with ease. Journi Blog is ideal for solo travelers, families, bloggers, and digital nomads who enjoy documenting their journeys in a visually appealing way. It's especially useful for travelers who want a private journal, but also the option to share their experiences with friends and family. You can customize your blog's look, choose from different themes, and even export your journal as a PDF or printed book to preserve your memories long-term. Another great feature is the offline functionality. You can continue to update your blog even without an internet connection, which is a huge plus when traveling to areas with limited connectivity. Once you're online again, the app syncs all your updates seamlessly. Journi Blog is free to download with in-app purchases available to unlock additional features like unlimited photos and premium designs. It's designed for anyone who values the experience of documenting their travels in a personal, creative, and easy-to-manage way. In conclusion, Journi Blog is a powerful and user-friendly travel journal app that combines functionality with creativity. If you're looking for a way to capture your travel memories effortlessly while maintaining a beautiful and organized record, Journi Blog is an excellent choice.